Do you feel tired all the time? Dark circles under your eyes? Low energy, weak body, and no motivation? Stop blaming laziness. The real problem is not tiredness, it's nutrient deficiency. Today, I'll show you the hidden vitamin and mineral deficiencies that slowly drain your energy and how simple foods can fix them naturally. If you feel dizzy, weak, or get tired after doing small tasks, your body may be lacking iron. Iron helps carry oxygen in your blood. Spinach, lentils, and green vegetables boost blood health and restore your energy levels. Constant fatigue, numbness in hands or feet, poor focus or memory, these are signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. Eggs support nerve health and help your body produce natural energy. If your sleep is poor, muscles feel tight, or stress is always high, your body may need magnesium. Almonds calm the nervous system, improve sleep, and reduce muscle tension. Weak immunity, bone pain, getting sick again and again? These are classic signs of vitamin D deficiency. Fish and sunlight strengthen bones and improve immune function. Low mood, low stamina, lack of motivation? You might be missing vitamin B6. Bananas help regulate metabolism and support healthy brain function. Slow wound healing, frequent colds or flu? This means your body needs vitamin C. Oranges, lemons, and citrus fruits boost immunity and protect your body from infections. Remember this, feeling tired doesn't always mean working too much. Most of the time, it means your body is not getting the right nutrients. Food is not just fuel, it is medicine. If this video helped you, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to The Real Health Guide for simple, honest, and science-based health content. Stay healthy, stay informed,